Hi, I'm Jason. If you've been trying to start an LLC, you've probably noticed something frustrating. Every LLC formation company claims they are cheap, but by the time you get to checkout, the price somehow jumps to $200, $400, or sometimes even more than that. And if you're just starting a business, spending hundreds of dollars before you have made a single dollar feels painful. That's why so many people are searching for Inc. Authority, because they claim they'll form your LLC for free. But here's the big question. Is Inc. Authority actually legit, or is this just another bait and switch upsell funnel? In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through what Inc. Authority actually includes, the hidden catches most reviews don't explain, what you should skip, and also what might actually be worth paying for, and whether this is truly the best LLC service on a budget. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know whether Inc. Authority is right for your business. Here's the short version. Yes, Inc. Authority is actually legit. And yes, you can start your LLC by basically paying the state filing fee. But the real trick is understanding which upgrades actually matter and which ones absolutely do not worth it as a beginner, because that's where most people accidentally overspend. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, what is Inc. Authority? Inc. Authority is a business formation company that helps people create LLCs, form corporations, and get EIN numbers, and also handle basic business setup paperwork. They've actually been around for decades, which makes them more trustworthy than random newer LLC websites popping up everywhere. Their selling point is simple. They don't charge their own formation fee for the basic LLC setup, as you can see right here. Instead, you mainly pay for the required state filing fee. And this is important. No matter which LLC service you choose, you always have to pay the state fee. That part is unavoidable. Why do numerous persons choose Inc. Authority? The reason Inc. Authority is so popular is because it lowers the barrier to starting your own business. A lot of entrepreneurs are testing ideas, starting side hustles, launching Shopify stores, for example, freelancing, or just trying to make their first dollar online. So they don't necessarily want to spend a lot of money upfront. And compared to many of its competitors, Inc. Authority gives beginners a way to get started really cheaper. One thing I actually like is that they include a free year of registered agent service and a business name search, for example, and EIN filing options. So competitors charge extra for those, and if you're brand new, having the paperwork handled for you can remove a lot of stress. Because honestly, most beginners don't want to deal with confusing state forms and legal jargon. Now let me give you a first-hand experience of how to set up your LLC using Inc. Authority. I've also included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up. Once on their website, you're going to tap where you see select your business type. From there, you can either select LLC, or if you want to form a corporation, you can do that, or non-profit corporation. After you have done that, you can also select your state. Keep in mind there are states that offer different fees or so on, but the average new entrepreneur isn't really looking at a tax break or so on at the moment. If you are, you can do further research. So let's say, for example, I were to select New York. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Start My Free LLC. Then from there, is this your first business? I'll select yes. Then you'll tap on Next Question. When will you be opening your business? You can choose 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, or already open. You can choose whichever one of these options. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Next Question. Will you be hiring employees in the first 12 months? From there, you can select yes, no, whichever one of these options. Then you'll tap on Next. Will your business be accepting credit card payments? If you are accepting credit card payments, you can select yes. If not, you can select no, whichever one of these options best describes your business. After you're finished doing that, you'll be redirected to this page, on which you'll fill in your contact details. Then you'll tap on Save and Continue. After you have selected Save and Continue, from there you'll be able to go over your contact details, and you can select the industry that your business is in, and you can also quickly describe your business. And then from there you'll see questions. Is the business owner a US citizen? And you can see different options right there. You're just going to tap on Save and Continue, and then we'll tap on Save and Continue right there. After you have done that, you'll quickly fill in your address. Then you're just going to tap on Save and Continue. After you have done that, you can see different questions right here. Your free premium service. So from here, you can select whether you would like to open, for example, a bank account. You can see EIN and tax ID number. You'll get that for free. You can select that right there. If it is a case that you want 24-hour express processing, you can select this option also, as they offer that for free. And you're just going to tap on claim your free service. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. So you have the custom operating agreement. This one actually depends. Some banks ask for it when opening a business account, for example. So if you don't want to search for templates online, which you can find for completely free, paying for the convenience here may be worth it. But technically, you can create one for yourself. So I'll simply tap on no, then we'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can see right here another option, minutes and resolutions. I'm just going to tap on no. Again, this is another thing that you don't need, so you can tap on next option. After you have done that, you can see 24-hour processing. So if you would like them to file it within 24 hours, you can do that. And I'm just going to select no, and I'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can also see that they offer an upsell for website services. You're going to tap on next option right there. And also they offer this service again. We're just going to tap on next option. So you can see that there are numerous upsells that they offer. And they also offer compliance 360, free for 30 days. And then from there, you're going to pay. So we're just going to select no. And after you have done that, you can also see S-Corp tax filing status. We'll just tap on no, thanks, I'll decide later. And after you have done that, you can also see that they offer a business and check-in business credit card. We'll tap on no. So there are numerous options, numerous upsells that they offer. And once you have selected that, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you can see that the final cost would be $210, which is the state fee. But if you had selected any of the upsells, your price will definitely be higher. And also by going over here, you can see if you wanted to choose the digital and mailed copies, it will cost $29 extra. Now let me quickly talk about what you actually pay for when it comes onto Inc. Authority. As you can see, I selected the EIN number, and EIN is basically your business tax number. You'll usually need it to open a bank account, separate personal and business finances, and handle taxes properly. Inc. Authority often includes this free depending on promotions. That's actually one of their strongest selling points. Now let's talk about the things that you don't need. As you can see right here, when it comes on to Inc. Authority, there are numerous upsells. For example, you have the business credit help, websites, tax services, compliance tools, expedited filing, and more. And this is where beginners can accidentally turn a cheap LLC into a very expensive one. Now, to be fair, some of these services are useful for certain people. Is Inc. Authority better than doing it yourself? Technically, yes, you can file an LLC yourself directly through your state. But here's the reality. A lot of people procrastinate because the form feels confusing, they're scared of mistakes, or they don't know what steps come next. And that's really what you're paying for with LLC services. Convenience. For some people, saving time and reducing stress is worth far more than doing everything manually, especially when you are trying to focus on actual billing the business. So my honest verdict in conclusion, I would say Inc. Authority is the best LLC service on a budget. For many beginners, I would say yes. So my honest verdict, in conclusion, is Inc. Authority the best LLC service on a budget? For beginners, honestly, yes. As long as you understand the upsells, avoid paying for things you don't need, and focus only on the essentials. That's the key part. Because if you go in blindly, clicking every upgrade, the cheap LLC disappears fast. But if you use it strategically, it's actually one of the most affordable ways to get your business legally started. Thanks for watching.